You guys, where's the other deer at?
What's in the back of the truck yet?
Oh, okay.
Nicole.
This was yesterday's hunt. November 16th, 1997, deer hunt. Johnny, Rochelle, Daniel, and Cassie and Cody. And 2 nice bucks and socks. Okay, that's good. That'd be a good group too.
Some still photos
Oh, there you go, Rochelle. Bucks are coming back in.
Raise your buns up. Shake your feet. Take your feet off. Cody, take your pants off.
Hooking the bucks back up.
That's deer.
And hoist them back in. You could slice it, or did you? Did you slice it? You should slice it, kids.
That is sliced.
Oh, it is? Oh, okay.
Just can't do it.
That hook should come right through, shouldn't it? Or did it? There. Now you're talking. Going up. Hoist them up so they can get at them for skinning. We had some pretty happy hunters here. Lots of fun and a couple nice deer. A couple of those sassy bucks.
Expected him to be a doe.
Yep, yep.
But we thought it was a deer anyway.